What's up YouTube? Dwight back again with another video for you guys today, and you know that we're all about creativity over here on this channel, so nothing's really off limits. So today I got these Y2K kitten heels that I found in the thrift, and I'm just going to be giving them a simple clean and warm water. So as I'm cleaning this shoe, I'm still just trying to get a scope of what's actually going on with the shoe. Notice how as I'm cleaning, the strap is pretty much touching the floor because of the use of this kitten heel. Next thing that I'm noticing that's wrong with the shoe is this black substance that's on the toe area of the shoe, which is not too crazy. It's not a scary problem to fix, but notice how that I have the kitten heels clean, you just can't miss it. It's that right there, and also just a few couple paint chips here and throughout the shoe. Not too crazy to where it's unfixable. So the next thing that I'm going to do is fix the strap and make the shoe a bit more youthful to where the straps aren't touching the floor. Now it's time to paint the shoe. This roughly took me around 3 tries to actually get the paint to my liking and to where you couldn't notice it on the kitten. Taking some shoe glue and just reapplying it to these insoles or soles of the kitten heels, and just gonna clamp them together so that it has a nice fit to it. Is to take some gloss finish and spray your kitten heel. This will give it a nice shine to it and a nice youthful finish to the project. Thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Again, we're about creativity on this channel, so nothing is off limits. So thank you